In this video, we are going to see how we can insert pictures. Okay, so to insert pictures, click on Insert, the Insert menu, then click on Pictures, and you can see there are three ways of inserting the picture. One is from this device, another is from stock images, and then through online sources. Okay, so let us try each one. First is from this device. So I'm clicking on this device. Okay, and from downloads I want to select this picture. Okay, click on insert. Now you can see the picture being inserted. So why it is inserted here only? Because my cursor was here. Okay, so wherever you put the cursor, the picture will be inserted there. Now I'm just trying to adjust this image. So look, you can see that while I'm trying to adjust the image, the cursor is also moving. Okay, you can see that this vertical bar. Okay, so the cursor is moving. Why? Because this the picture alignment is along with the text. Look, the alignment is in line with the text. That is the reason it is moving with the cursor. Okay, and I can change the alignment from here. Okay, now I want a square alignment. Okay, in square alignment, the text will be in square with the picture. Got it? Now text has become in square with the picture. Next is tight alignment. So it will slightly make text near to the image. Okay, you can see the slight change here. Just notice it. I'm changing it to square. Okay, the text is little away. I'm changing it to right. The text is little near to the picture. Okay. Next is through. Okay, in through we can freely move the picture anywhere we want, and the text will adjust accordingly. Because I have selected through, and look, I am moving it. Wherever I am moving, the text is getting automatically aligned. Next is top and bottom. Okay, so in this feature the text will align on top and bottom of the picture. Okay, so let's select this. Look, as I am moving the picture, the text is getting aligned either on top and bottom. Next is behind text. Okay, so what happens? The picture goes behind the text. So you can see the text is over the picture now. Okay, now next is in front of the text. So what has happened? Now the picture is exactly in front of the text. Okay, and the text has gone behind the picture. Got it? So now I am so generally I use this square feature. Okay, so this is my personal recommendation. You can use anything whatever feasible for you. Okay, so now that's it. So this is how we inserted picture from the this device. Now let us use other features as well. Now I am moving the cursor at the bottom of the page. Going to insert, clicking on picture. Now going to stock images. Let's see what are the stock images. Okay, so there are number of stock images. Okay, now you can see a variety of images. You can see the category like standing category. Okay, now in standing category you can see people standing. Okay, ideas category. You can see people thinking or ideating something. Okay, not just people, means there are images which are showing some idea. Okay, now next is icons. Okay, in icons you can see this kind of icons. So I have search idea, that's why it's showing me icons which are showing some ideated kind of visualization. I'm just removing this text, and now you can see all the icons. Okay, cut out people. So this is the image without background. Okay, you can insert anything. Just select and insert. Okay, let's see Tanvi. Okay, so she is Tanvi, and you can just take any image, insert. Okay, it's downloading and it's inserted. You can resize it. Okay, now next alignment change, and we can, and I'm just moving the alignment to left side again. Now go to insert stock images. Okay, let's insert one icon. Which one? Okay, let's insert this book and insert this one. Okay, you can see this these two icons being inserted. Now let us insert any image. Let's insert this one. Insert. Okay. Now let's insert from stock images any sticker. We can insert any sticker. We can search whatever we want. These categories are there, but still we can search. Okay. Let's see search happy. Now you can see the stickers with showing happiness. Let's use this smiling alarm. I'm just inserting the one picture from each category just to show how it works. These are the illustrations. Let's insert any one illustration like this one. And just adjust it. And for each inserted image, you have the option of alignment.